All right, guys. This is how you can export your rough edit. Remember, on your rough edit, I'm looking at that you have established your full story based off your storyboard, or as close to it as what you can. That you have broken all the pieces, you trimmed off all the fat. So anything that is uh, basically people standing around breaking the scene. So if there's audio mics showing up, if there's director talking, if their actors are talking and joking around, anything that's really breaking that continuity, you need to have edited out. Remember, you can use your effect controls to focus in on your scene. If you're looking in at your scene to improve it. So after you go through all your cuts, you make sure that the movements are good. Then what you're going to want to do is go to File, Export, Media. Now, if it doesn't show up, so let's say my focus is on this. If I go File, Export, a lot of times you'll see where it's not shown up. You need to have your focus on here. Okay. File, Export, Media, and it will open up a pop-up here. On your screen, it may not show the very bottom of it. Just go to the top, drag down some so that you can drag it up on your screen so you can see all of it. Okay. Now, you're going to want to scrub. These are your start and end point of your sequence. You want to make sure that you have all of your clips in there, that you're not cutting any pieces off. So just quickly scrub through. If I have this like this, it's not, even though I have more clips, this between my in and out are where the what's going to be exported. So if I need the whole thing, I need to make sure that I'm dragging it out. I do not want 20 minutes of a black screen, so edit your stuff down. Okay, drag this over. Okay, now over here, your format that you're going to use is H.264. H.264. Okay, you can leave the preset. Your output name right here, you're going to have to click on this so that you can choose what it's going to be. So you will, when you get the menu pop up, you're going to choose your folder. So this would be on your Z drive and your video audio folder for your 30-second edit. You're going to put your last name, underscore, first name, underscore, the name of your 30-second edit. So mine's Speed Freak underscore rough edit. I don't want any other names. If you want to get credit, and please put it this way. Okay. Go ahead and click Save. This will create an MP4 because we're using an H.264. We're exporting audio and video. You can double check where the output would be on here. Okay. Now if we're scrolling down, we have a lot of different options. We could change the size, the frame rate, all that stuff. Most of it we can just leave it go right now. You could do maximum render quality if you want. It does not really need to be, it's a rough edit, so you can leave it off. Okay, I don't need full quality right now. Okay, the rest of this stuff we'll just leave it, and then we can click export. Now, on your guys' computers, it will take approximately 10 times longer than the length of the video. So if you're rendering a 1-minute video on those computers, it takes approximately 10 minutes. Okay. I will show you guys how to put them on flash drives when I come back. So you want to make sure you have this done so that you can turn it in on Tuesday. All right. Once that's done, go to the location where you saved it, double check the recording to make sure that it's good, to see if you have to redo it because you did not have your tails where they're supposed to be. Okay? So scrub all the way from the start all the way to the end. All right.